Hey guys, let's make a couple of dough bowl centerpieces together. Let's do this. So today we're going to use two different sizes of dough bowls. Both of the bowls that I have came from Hobby Lobby, so they're nothing fancy. I know there's some really pretty dough bowls out there, but mine don't have any fancy edges or anything. So my thought is I really want the underside to be seen, and we're just going to make it big and beautiful. And so this size, just to give you perspective, is about 27 inches. So again, we're going to just start with green foam. You know, that's pretty much what I always use. And I have this, just a bunch of raffia, and it really, in this size bowl, I wish I had two of them, but I don't. So I'm just going to try to cover it up the best that I can, because this particular design is going to be what I would call more natural. It's not going to be really full. There's going to be some empty spaces in there, kind of more of what you would see out in nature. And pretty much everything that I have today that I'm going to be using is from Hobby Lobby. I think there was one thing that I had that is from Michael's, and I have these twisted up. There we go. So look at these. Look at how pretty that is. It's got so much. We've got pumpkin and pine cone and berries. And so that is going to be kind of our centerpiece here, our focal point as far as just getting visual interest. And so I have two of these. I'm going to try to move it this way. And one on each end. The next thing we're going to use are these really pretty stems. They've got leaves on them. And I think I used two of these, and I just took them apart. The raffia can kind of get messy. Now I did not attach my foam to my bowl, which you can do, but I decided not to. So it's gonna kind of move a little bit on me. I'm gonna have to keep a hold of it. And that is all that I had of those stems. Now the next thing I have is my all-time favorite bush, which if you've seen any of my other centerpieces, you know I love this bush from Hobby Lobby. And I'm just gonna fill it in. This is 2 bushes cut up. And we're just gonna make this, we're gonna make it full, but again, we're gonna leave some space in there to kind of give it more of a natural look. You guys all ready for fall? We're actually going back to school. We go back to school this next week, so we aren't ready for school to start. We seriously aren't. And I'm having a hard time finding a place where I want to put this one. But we went to open house last night, and so it's official. Definitely already time. I'm seriously having a hard time with this, guys. It will be beautiful, though. That's what's going to be important. Now, I kind of want to get my pumpkin in place. I'm gonna put this little riser here just to get my pumpkin up a little bit higher. And this is the pumpkin that I'm gonna use. I just love how muted the color is on it. And so it's going to be my focal point for this. And so boy, this is getting fuller than what I thought it was going to be. Let me see if I want to add any more of this bush. I feel like there's just a little bit of a hole over here. It definitely would help if it were attached to the bowl, for sure. Okay, let's see. I feel like there's a little bit of a hole here. So let's see if I have something that is the right size to go in there. You can move things around. Get them to look how you want. Okay, for now I think I'm going to be done with that bush. And I still have a little bit of accent that I want to add to it. So I got this bush, and again, just cut it all apart. And let's add this in. I love all of these colors, but they're muted. They aren't fighting with each other. I feel like it just flows really well together. My eye cannot handle too much color all at once, so I like this combination. Let's see. Let's look to the other side here. Add some to the back. Feel like it needs more over here. Here. Okay, here you go. I do have some more of these leaves, and I think I'm good with it. I think it's full, but yet you can still see a little bit in there. So let's take a closer look at this one. Okay, this is the other dough bowl that we're going to do our second centerpiece in. As you can see, there's even a spot here that I guess they filled when they were manufacturing it, but you won't even be able to see that when we're done. And so you know what size this is? This one is about 22.5 inches. Okay, we're going to go back to our styrofoam. We've got our raffia, and this is about the right size for this particular size of dough bowl. So I'm just gonna kind of set it in here. And this one is going to be for my neutral lovers. It's what I like to do. And we're, again, going to use my favorite bush from Hobby Lobby. And that's going to be, we're going to fill this all out with this first. And then we'll add some other items. My apologies if you can hear. My brother is here mowing my yard because I've had problems with my lawnmower. So I'm so thankful that he came over to mow my yard. Okay, we're gonna probably use about 2 bushes on this. And remember, those are wired, so you can try to work them to go the direction that you want them to go. In there. Yeah, still have some smaller pieces. Add in here and there, and in the front. Matter of fact, I feel like this one is going to be too, it's going to enclose the front too much, so I'm going to take that one out. I'm just going to hold on to this, see if I want to use it or not. Here's the next one. I really like how this plays off from these leaves. Kind of look the same, but they're a little bit different. And so I just cut these apart. And let's add these in. There weren't many pieces from this particular bush. Add this in over here. This one in the front. And I just have a couple pieces left. I think I'll do one in the back and one in the front here. And if ever you get to looking at this after you're done and you're like, sorry, he was right up by the house. If you ever get looking at this, you know, when you're done and you're like, oh, I feel like something is off, it's okay. You can always rearrange, because actually right now it feels like, okay, So right now, it looks like there's not as much here and there's too much on this side. So what I think I'm gonna do, move this one over here. For now, I think that looks better. Okay, we're gonna add our riser back into the center. And this is going to be the star of the show this year. I just got this from Hobby Lobby the other day. I really like that it's fabric. It just adds another texture into it. So we're going to put that right in the center. Last thing we're going to add in is this bush that I also got from Hobby Lobby. I've cut it up, and let's add it in. It just gives us another texture, a little bit more color. So let's add this in. So as our second design is coming to an end, just want to thank you for watching, and hope that this has inspired you, and if it has, I would love to hear what you think, which dough bowl you like best. If you could subscribe and like, it just helps my little page grow, and I greatly appreciate it. I do hope that you will try making some of these. Something for your table maybe. You can absolutely do it. All right, we're getting down to just the last couple of pieces. Let's see. Oh. All right, guys, that is it. Let's take a closer look at it, and thanks for watching.